Hello traders, we're in the green trading room just looking at the cannabis pot sector and wanted to run through some of our normal pot stocks that we look at. ACB here, daily on the left, weekly on the right. Weekly bounced very nicely after major support, increased volume, broke out on the daily. Now it's roughly 50% pullback, flat 50 MA, rising 20. It didn't retrace cleanly. It retraced with a gap down. It retraced sloppy, but it's a definite watch for us if we can get what we call a potent reversal bar. So that would be a gap down engulfing. It would be a bottoming tail. So it's stabilized right here. Buyers are stepping in, but it's not ready to buy yet. Here's Mike Juliet, which is the sector, and you'll see as we go through this list how some are definitely lagging this. So the sector broke down, deep retracement through resistance, and it's going sideways. So actually, this ETF we're going to keep on our watch list also for the same reason. We need a potent reversal, maybe gap down, breakdown failure negated, bottoming tail, you know, whatever the case. Let it keep going sideways. And then it has a price void above to go back to this prior high. NBEV, a sloppy bottom here, but this is all buyers. Negated this ugly red bar. It's above the rising 20, 5,200, made a higher high. It's attempting to make a higher low, but this green bar failed. And this would be a beautiful one to get a retest on the daily right here on minor support where it broke out. The weekly has a topping tail and a red bar, so that also suggests that more consolidation is needed. CGC, bullish consolidation over time, but it's closer to its prior pivot, and it's actually outperforming the sector, MJ. GBTC, that's a dog. Look, it's a dog with fleas. Look at this weekly chart. It's in a nasty downtrend, declining 20, 50. Green bars on the daily chart here, having no follow through. That actually looks like a short on the weekly chart. Tilray, we sold a put spread on this bar. Had beautiful. We sold way out of the money put spreads. We closed them, half on the strength, half on this sell-off, and now there's absolutely no pattern right now. It's back to major support, 100% retracement, negated this bullish gap, a breakout failure on the weekly. Absolutely nothing to do there. NXTTF, lower price stock, weaker than the others, had a breakdown here. I like the other ones that we've been looking at. And I think that's all I got for now. Cron, it's the last one. This one's the strongest. This one just made new all-time highs yesterday. But it's extended, no pattern, but it's a definite watch on a pullback. Hope that helped. That's how we look for opportunity. But the broader markets, though, we've been waiting for our bearish turn because of the sell setup on the weekly chart. Yesterday was the start. You know, there was a chink in the armor, as we called it, with the bearish gap down, bearish close. And we had a bullish gap up today that has now failed. We're trading under the open, under pre-market support. And we always like trading with the broader markets, so we would not, you know, marijuana, an individual sector can always be on its own page. But if the sector's going up and we get a bullish pattern, we're going to trade it. But right now, we're going to be looking for some more bear call credit spreads on the broader market ETFs and individual stocks. Good trading, everyone.